pautas de los Centros para el Control y la Prevención de Enfermedades, como mantener una distancia.
God, you so loud. Stop yelling at me. Alright, what's up, Block fam? Doing a bit of a test today. We're gonna see what the mileage per gallon is on the bike here. I have about half a tank. We're filling up with sober dinosaurs, so 89 octane sober dinos. Just get it about to the same. So noted, it's just over the inner little bezel there. So ethanol free, 89 octane sober dinosaurs. Now I am riding, I don't know, 40, 50 miles or so from South Orlando to way north of Orlando today. Pretty much going to be mostly highway miles, and we're going to see what the Harley-Davidson 131 Stage 4 gets in this bike. Currently have the SNS 590 cam in it, so it's probably going to impact it a bit, but continuing research on this Stage 4 engine in the name of science. Yeah, science. So check this out. For those of you guys that are trying to run ethanol free, the reason I'm doing it is because it runs cleaner. It's going to keep the engine healthier. We're not going to get as many deposits because of the ethanol. There's this app, it's called Pure Gas, and it'll find all the stations that are around you, so you can get a list view, or you can hit maps and get this map view. Bam, there you go. It's all around Orlando. Basically going from here, I'm going to hit full 17, go all around Orlando, and we're going to basically end up in Sanford, way up here at Seminole Harley-Davidson. There is a waaaay right in front of Seminole Harley, and so we're going to hit that one, top off, and then we're going to do the math and see what our gas mileage is. 48 minutes, 47 miles. Motorcycle. Another motorcycle. I get a lot of questions about this. You guys be sure to check it out. Rockform. It's a Rockform phone mount adapter on an OtterBox, and then a Rockform mount on the bars. Freaking love this thing, man. It's so helpful. If you guys order one with my discount code and you click the link below, it'll give you 25% off everything at their website. Alright, so we're going to go to one of our trips. So we'll go ahead and reset trip B. So we're at 0, and so that's how we'll do the math. However many gallons we add back into the tank once we get to Seminole Harley, that waaaay gas station in front, so we'll top it off with ethanol free. We'll pretty much be able to calculate our gas mileage from that. So I guess it is also worth noting, this might not be the best test, but I mean, we're kind of going to get an idea of what the gas mileage is like. We'll get there, we'll top it back off, and we'll do the math to see what we're getting. The half a tank that was in here was race gas, so that's 110 octane ethanol free, and I just topped it off with 89 octane ethanol free. If we're getting the octane rating of those two, basically add those together, divide by 2, whatever the average is there, which I'll put right here. And we're looking at right about 100-ish, right? 99, 100, I would think. I do have a couple little octane boosters in here for when I do want to boost the octane if I'm just filling up with straight 89 ethanol free, so that we can get it up to like 93, 94. Based on what's, like I said, previously in the tank, we should be running right in the middle there, right about 100, which is more than good. Nothing to shake a finger at or shake a stick at. Nothing to shake stuff at. You know what I'm saying? Don't be shaking stuffs. God, I'm really bad at sayings. Why doesn't my brain work like that? Like, I remember so much other stuff, but like sayings, never. You know what I am gonna do before I do this 50 miles? I'm gonna put my plug phones in, cause it's gonna be windy, it's gonna get loud, and I'm just gonna listen to music. It's gonna take a little under an hour to get there, so I might as well be comfortable while doing it, right? Pull over right, in the shade, stick in my plug phones. Be right back. And we're back. Got phone connected to Senna, so I'm gonna throw some music on, jam out on the way up. Take just about an hour, a little under an hour. I got my arm protection, protect me from the sun. It was UV sleeves that are actually moisture wicking. Blockhead, you so cool. I know, I got my moisture wicking sleeves, you know what I'm saying? We're at 590 cam. SNS, my God, it's like launching you out of a cannon. especially upper RPMs, performs so well up there. What are we listening to today? Little Zed's Dead, Flostradamus, Flux Pavilion, Bass Nectar, Pretty Lights, Excision, Liquid Stranger. Yeah, cool. I'm good with that. We are done on the 417, which basically loops around Orlando, dumped us off in Sanford. We're sitting at 44.1 miles. So that bar was full at the top, the fuel level indicator, and it dropped about 3 bars, which is significant for just that ride. Oh man, it has been a noticeable decrease in miles per gallon, especially when you ride it like it wants to be ridden. Like the 517 cam that comes with the kit gives you a lot more like mid-range, like that mid to high. This cam that's in it right now, like I said, the SNS 590 gives you like a lot more top end, and so it wants you to like hit those high RPMs, which higher RPMs means more rotations, means more gasoline burning. You can probably like throw a bit of a milder cam in there to better your miles per gallon. I don't know that it'll be a significant difference. I really wish I had gotten what like the average miles per gallon was with the Screaming Eagle 517 cam that comes with the kit. I'm sure there'll be other people out there that'll be able to post up that information. I can't tell you. It just wants to go. But yeah, I guess we'll be able to get the average miles per gallon with the 590, and then also with the next cam. Oh, I guess, well, you guys don't know about that yet, but I'll hold off on that for now. Beforehand, the power range was just way more even throughout it with the 517, you know, throughout the entire RPM range. And it was most noticeable in the, like the mid to the high, which was incredibly useful for like city riding, especially like highway and interstate. 590, man, it's like this thing is meant for track. It's meant for more of like a race application, I feel like, because it's a high lift cam. It's really letting that engine breathe. It's such a huge difference in like the upper RPM. So I kind of lost some of that mid-range power, like responsiveness, and now it just it's all up top. All right, let's top her off. Do some math for science. Alright, it's about the same amount. So 44.9 miles, 1.513, 44. There you go, 29.676. So we'll say, let's round that up to 30. 30 miles per gallon with how I was driving, with the, I don't know, 100 octane race gas mixed with ethanol free 89. There you go, science. I've gotten a number of y'all that have asked me what my miles per gallon is like, so there you go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button for me. Hit that like button helps out the channel quite a bit, so you guys can take a moment, hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys want more content like this, you like motorcycle content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, as always, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one.